The power button on your Nintendo Switch 2 is right here at the top. If you simply push it, your Switch will power on. If you want to go into the console, you will need to press a button 3 times. It can be whatever the one, as long as you press it 3 times. Then, if you want to power off, you can simply press the power button on top and the screen goes black. However, this is not power off, this is just in sleep mode. This is why when you press it back, it powers on so quickly. If you really want to power it off, you will press and hold the power button until you see this screen. And then, if you hit sleep mode, it will go into sleep mode. But if you go into power option, you have the ability to restart it or to power off. So if I select it, now it is power off. This is why when I press the power button, it will take a bit more time to power on. So, I hope this was helpful.